Hey everyone, French Under here, the owner of the WeFiAcademy.com. Today we are tackling a question that gets tossed around a lot: affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. There are both ways to make money online, but which one is the better fit for you? Let's be honest, we all want to find a business model that works, something that let us be our own boss and make some dough online. So buckle up because I'm about to break down those two options. Big thanks to everyone who subscribed and liked last week's video. It really helps out the channel. Alright, let's get down to the business. Imagine you are chilling at your favorite coffee shop, sipping on a latte, and you spot those amazing wireless iPhones. You love them so much, you can't stop raving about them to your friend. They try them on, love them too much, and you tell them where to snag a pair. The store actually throws you a little thank you for sending your friend their way. That, my friend, is affiliate marketing in action. Here is the deal. You find a cool product from company you dig, and then you promote them to others. You do this through your website, social media, and even email to your friends. If someone click on your special link and buy the product, you earn a commission. It is like being a brand ambassador, but way more casual, no fancy suit required. Here is the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need to buy any product or deal with the hassle of shipping them out. All you need is a website, a social media following, or even just an email list. Pretty sweet, right? There is no limit to how much you can earn. The more people you can reach with your recommendation, the more commission you can earn. Promote stuff you genuinely love in any niche that tickles your fancy. Fashion fanatic, foodie extraordinaire, there is a whole world of product out there waiting for your champion. Now let's shift the gears and talk about dropshipping. Imagine you have your online store selling the most awesome phone cases you ever seen. But there is a twist. You don't actually have any of those cases sitting around in your basement. When someone orders the case from your store, you forward the order to a supplier who then ship it directly to your customer. Dropshipping has its own set of pros and cons to consider. You don't need a giant of warehouse, but you will need to invest in creating your online store and marketing your awesome cases or whatever cool stuff you choose to sell. Since you control the pricing, you could theoretically make more money compared to affiliate marketing. But be warned, the competition can be fierce, so you might need to adjust your prices to stay competitive. You are the quarterback of this operation. You are responsible for customer service, making sure your marketing is on point, and keep your online store running smoothly. Alright, so which one is the clear winner? Here is my 2 cents. Affiliate marketing offers a much easier way to get started. It gives you more freedom to choose what to promote and let you focus on building your audience and sharing love for great products. Dropshipping can be a successful business model, but it will require a big investment compared to affiliate marketing and more hand-on management. Now, that doesn't mean dropshipping is off limits, but for most beginners looking for cost-effective ways to jump into an online business world, affiliate marketing is a fantastic choice. You want to learn exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing and start racking those commissions? Sign up for my free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp. I'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step. From finding profitable affiliate programs to promoting them like a pro, you will be a master affiliate marketer in no time. Click the link in the description below to reserve your spot in the bootcamp. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Wednesday affiliate marketing FAQs. Until next week, keep hustling smart and chasing your online business dream.